with Lady T.
Okay, my people. Yes, so I greet you with your time. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining. I greet you with your time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you are watching us from, I greet you with your time. So today's topic, my lovely people, I don't already see the topic. The moment man tell your wife say he wants a second wife, and this man dey for Obodo Ibo wife dey Nigeria with their children, and the side chick when you want to take her second wife dey Obodo Ibo too, so he dey abroad too. So the person will bring this matter come for us now. The side chick, I beg, I don't want insult. You know, sometimes people they bring their matter come because they are confused. They don't know what to do. They just need opinion. Not really me say they're bad, because this girl they believe say na good girl, because some side chick they don't care whether they survive or you know they survive. But I just want more listening to their conversation, both the side chick and the wife side chick, and just drop a comment down there. What do you think about this whole story? Or if you call in, if you don't want to drop your comment, say your comment too long, you just feel like call in. The number is there. I put out for the topic for there, so you can call in. They call me now. Man, I never call. Hello. Good evening. And I tell you, I never get chance. As I know they talk to you, so I did live. I never say. Later I'll check the message. I never say I did live now on my own time. If I don't check, I'll reply you. Okay, later. Okay, my lovely people. So not be small wahala. They say trouble they sleep. You gotta go wake up. And I be this one. So I welcome you, my lovely people. Please help me share this broadcast. Help me share, because some men they like to marry two wives. They just feel comfortable with it. Some get money to take care of their wives, some not get. So maybe their side chick, the way they next to them, they'll change their mind, say they won't marry her. What about the woman when they house? What about the woman when they back home Nigeria? I know say this situation, this topic when I bring console, it dey many people body, especially the side chick body. But maybe with this video, they fit pick something from inside. So I beg, I don't want anybody. I beg now. Me anybody don't insult this girl. I beg. Mona see reason, because before she come they think and they say make she agree, make they pay the diary, make they put money for her head, or make she not agree. Because in short, me I not talk too much. We'll come back. Make I play the voice record first. Then I understand before. If you want to call in, you can call in. If you want to leave your message down there, you can leave your message down there. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me share this broadcast. This is the meaning of what? I don't understand that. What is the meaning? I don't understand that. Okay, anyway, may I play the record, then we start. Maybe we'll spend some few minutes here. This record is long. Okay, my people, when I listen, now the lady, the side chick, now they advise the woman, because after they don't talk for long, if like said the woman not agree, so the side chick kind of they talk to the woman, they advise her and telling her the motive why she should accept her as second wife, and this other woman can't give her own opinion too. So we'll just go through their voice record. Then we will come back.
Hello, my sister. How your body? How you doing? How is everything? My sister, I must tell you the truth. Me and your guy, we just date to understand. You just say make it want me you to understand. Now date we date. We never even reach 1 year when we start to date. So I must tell you, they already talk about your matter for good. To understand. So I will advise you, don't buffer, I don't buffer. And to you to maintain your home, to understand. So, you know, if you leave your home for another woman, It's not done that way. I'm a stranger to you, to understand. So I beg, I just want you. So now play with just the play. I'm not ready.
Somebody asked question here, say what is Naija based abroad man? Naija, maybe that the way I tell right now you don't understand also, I don't know. So but let me explain that part. Naija based abroad man mean na Naija man when they stay for abroad. So he live with family and his wife for Nigeria. You understand? So as if they abroad, he don't spend many years. You know, say according to men, they say ogoro they hold, say they need to, you know, and so he can't get side chick. He can't be like say he with the side chick, both of them don't fall in love. You dey understand? And he get wife and children back home. So in the reason now that is he can't make the wife they understand, say I get side chick for you, and it be like say the matter does serious, so I want marry her for Europe, then you go there Nigeria. So I want me to live like that, as in you'll be the first wife, she will be the second wife. You can't try to introduce the two ladies. So now their discussion now they play here, and the side chick now, I say na good girl because na person will get conscience, you know. She can't decide now, say she don't know whether to continue with the marriage, they don't do introduction, or to just leave the man due to wetin the wife talk. Now wetin the wife talk now I wan play for yes so more na yes. So sure you now they understand me. So that be the cocoa for the matter. So that their conversation me wan play, and she say she confused. She want me I bring the matter come out so that people go shook mouth put for the comment section, or if you want to call in, the number is there to call in 00393512852063. You call in to say your opinion, or you drop your comment there to say your opinion. You understand how you see this kind of matter, if she will continue or she not will continue, or if now you be the woman, the wife, you go accept or you not go accept. Oh yeah, I want to continue. Me I start again from the beginning for people when you just join now. So now the side chick now they talk, so the wife never talk. So I want Mona see the wife reaction. Mona list what is the wife talk. Mona listen to what the side chick they talk first. She they try to talk to the wife because the man don't introduce them. They try to make the wife understand some kind of things. She feels say maybe they'll feel work together. Husband matter no easy.
Hello, my sister. How your body you dey? How is everything? My sister, I must tell you the truth. Me and your guy, we just date to understand. She just say make it want you to understand. Now date we date, we never even reach 1 year when we start to date. So I must tell you, they already talk about your matter for good to understand. So and we advise you don't buffer, don't buffer. And to you to maintain your home to understand. So you know, if you leave your home for another woman, it's not done that way. I'm a stranger to you to understand. So I beg, I just want you. So now play with just the play. I'm not ready, so I won't marry. So understand. You don't buffer, I don't buffer. I will advise you to stay with your husband. If you say this one not be him, you go marry another person. Now that one will be him. So understand. You know, say you get hot temper, I still take care of that one. And you say I get hot temper. So who will come down for now? So you are the woman, are you supposed to come down for him? To understand. So that is it. So I know follow you drag you home. They don't buffer her. I will advise you to stay with them. Don't let another woman take care of your children for you. Yeah. Find the man get this, but now you don't do okay. And they try to talk to her in a way where they say it will do okay for you. Yeah. I will tell you better. Just relax, I beg.
Okay. So that the woman respond with this now.
What is the network? She is your line, ba? This is your line. The network is bad. That network no good. That time when they call me for voice call, network so bad. So I don't drop voice message for him for WhatsApp. Anyway, if you read them, you go understand what I mean for them. Understand? No be quarrel, no be anything. We are still friends and we are still family. You see the mother of my kids. So if I know day to day, you will use your good heart and your maturity age. You will use your good character and take good care of my children. The more you take good care of my children for me, the more my God will bless you, and the more you will have prosperity, and the more the road will open for you. Because me myself, at any time I feel married. We are entering the new year. Yes, to tell you the truth, thank God you open up to me and tell me today, and I come to reason it that I can't accept it, because even my mom, till now that he has old, she have old in my daddy's place, she doesn't have second. His own mama, that is my mother-in-law, he no get second. Even when he get second that time, the woman no stay, just because of they don't grow that time, and they say they don't want their mama to have second. So because of one problem or the other, the woman have to run and leave the family for them. Look at them and they don't grow. So likewise too, this is the same thing that will happen between me and you. So it's better I withdraw back, so that nobody will be a burden to each other, as I earlier told him from beginning. So I'm out though. Like seriously, I'm out. Today, tomorrow, I feel married. If I see a good man, a man that will love me and love my children at the same time, I'll do the same thing. And I will inform him the way he informed me. So it's not a big deal. Understand? So you are free to call Ojo also, because you are their stepmom. You are free to call them. Even when that time where I no get second, my sister, just look me. That time I no get second. I have been frustrating with one problem or the other. They never one day give me peace from the beginning of this marriage. Even with 2 kids. And inside them, God blessing and raise him to go and bring that blessing. Still, I am not still happy with life. Just to eat and benefit with those children is a problem. And I was named that his husband is in overseas. I was named that his husband is outside country. If you look me physical, I am nothing before the eyes of people, just because of frustrating. So we come marry you, join me again. The equation never balance now, my sister. You reason now. Just reason now. It no go easy for both of us. Even he where just the romance there, you no go fit do am. You no go fit do am. Just forget about it. Say you no go fit do am. By the time now you deal with him for there, you no go know the WhatsApp where they happen more. When you come day together, you come Nigeria, we dey for the same environment. Everybody go get your own different though. Now there you go know everybody character. Now there you go know say kaki no be nylon. So me, I am out of the game, and I'm gone forever to my own straight level way. I don't forget second though, my sister, no verse. You can go ahead and marry him, no be fight. Seriously. I know verse, and I'm even so happy today as he open up and tell me. I didn't even say tell me from beginning. I don't know my left and right where I did now. I don't know my left and right where I did, my sister. By now, for don't jump on my level for those streets. Seriously, I'm so happy for what I hear from your mouth this night. It gives me joy. Like seriously. But I can't, so I give him go ahead. I'll free him. Even if you people want to marry, understand, anytime you are ready to get married, both in Nigeria, anywhere, you can invite me. Me and my children will come. We'll come and celebrate with both of you. It's not fight. It's not quarrel. But you are free. Both of you are free to call Jomo at any time. We will not quarrel. Nothing. And if I have a man that I want to marry today, tomorrow, I will also introduce him to him also. They can be friends. That is life. Life is all about understanding. That is it. So I said it out for everybody to bear me witness that when you tell me, I reject it. I first grew, but I think of it that no, I can't, because I see two very important from inside. My mom and his mom. Till now, in the both of their matrimonial home, they are sitting down only them, no second. So we are both young for that kind of life. No. From beginning of my life, I promised my God that my husband will not marry second wife. And if it is to marry, either I will leave it for the woman to go ahead and marry my own husband. That is not the big deal. I'm not angry with both of you. And I will always pray for God to bless you people so that you will join hands to train my Ojomo and to train your own child, your own children that you give birth to him. That is my prayer for today for both of you. I wish you good luck, my dear. So don't be angry with me. You are still my friend and you are still my sister. If there is anything I need from you, I will still call on you.
I never played the second part too. Hello? Which girl that sees the house? Okay, now another video you dey watch. I did live for page. Okay. I did live for page. No. That one on YouTube. That one on old video. Okay, ma. Thank you so much, ma. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, may I play this second one? Okay, this one.
For you. In a free world. Understand? So good night. Sleep well, sweet dream, and make sure you take good care of him for Ojomo. That is what I want to say to both of you. Thank you so much. Auntie, thank you so much. I appreciate.
That night, the woman no fit sleep. I know what that woman they pass through. You know, when you say, man, when you don't suffer, follow, finish. When I don't drink garri, when I don't shop amala and garlic and ginger. When you come be like, say, it's not the better small, but not be say, don't better finish, oh. The man will come tell you, say, you want a second wife. Women, when I call you. So, may I play the second part because the woman not sleep. That's also message that night.
I know now that you're a good woman. It's not about because you are in between both of us. It has been long that the marriage tire me just because of one problem or the other. I've been patient enough even before he can travel. Not because you are in our middle. Understand? I'm not saying it because he want to marry you. But how person dey frustrated, ask him if he can bear me weakness. A lot I pass through in his hand. A lot of sin I see. Pains, trouble, fight, hunger, everything, nothing. We are not pass through for your hand. I think he supposed gist you about some of the things. If someone should tell me that the twins a day that he will make me shed tears for his sake, that he will make me to be angry with him for a day, I will tell that person is a lie. Because I passed through here just for the sake of him, just for because of this nearest future to come, so that the children will not suffer tomorrow. But all he can pay me, tears all the time. Tears all the time. The tears have been my food and my water. Each time I think of the frustration coming out from him and his family, I feel like killing myself. Is it bad as I born for him, or is it bad that I accept to marry him? Look, let me tell you one thing that you don't know. I know him very well. Very, very well. We dated for almost a year plus before those children belle come. And now we are going like 7 years of marriage. The year that we know, plus the year of those children. Day before yesterday that my children crossed 5 years. I know him. Anytime he started this thing like playing like joke, that is how it will end it in that thing, and he will do it the way he wants it. So I know that is why I now dust my leg and my hand out of the game, because I know as in the top like play like joke. So except you as a woman, that you know my pain as a fellow woman over there, that will say no to him. Yes. If not, as he's telling me like play like joke, so he will see. If not be as you, a woman that know the pain of your fellow woman, that you cannot accept that. If it is a woman, they will accept with him. And as he tell me this night, he will go ahead and do it the way he tell me. That is why I say I can't. So that if that time come tomorrow and I say I can't, he will not blame me. He will not say, but you accepted from beginning. Because I can't face the frustration of two polygamy home. No, I have to tell him the truth. I know him. He can do it, even not you. Seriously.
Somebody else.
Oh yeah, it is well. I appreciate what you tell me, and I say thank you. I will reason it and I will get back to you. It's not all about not to leave my home for another woman to take care of my children. It's because of the love I've lost. Yes, ask him. The love I've lost going to a year now. That is the first question that I asked him this evening when he told me that he had forgiven me just because the children was angry with him. And I said that, okay, is it from your mind? How can the love come back? How can the affection will be there again? That will still become husband and wife, a father and the mother of our children. That is the question. Because as it is now, I don't even feel love affection for him. Seriously. Like before again. I look him as if he's not even the father of my children. I look him sometimes as if we are just a friend or he's a stranger to me. Is it because of the distance? A distance is not a barrier. Yes. If you are a distance and you want to make your wife to feel happy, to feel as if you are still close to him, you can do it better as a man. But he doesn't give me that opportunity. He doesn't give me that chance and that time. So he make me to lose the love that I have for him. He make me to lose the hope that I have for him. Or just because I did not sit down in the family house. Or just because I refused to sit down with his parents. Did I kiss someone before I left? Did I steal someone something before I left? No. Me and the mama will not quarrel before I carry my bag. I go there in peace and I live there in peace. That the mother even escort me from their side, reach the roundabout where I want to go carry motor. My bag and my children, they her hand. Because I don't want to bear any bad name that they will record and wait for him later, that he will use it to maltreat me. So the peace that I go to that place, in peace I travel back to Lagos. But because of the news that they are telling him from village here and there, it makes him to poison his mind towards me and those children. Going to a year now, I did not enjoy my marriage in his hand. And he's not telling me that I want to go ahead and marry the second wife today. What will you want me to do as a woman like me? I will give him go ahead and have my peace. Yes. I will give him go ahead and have my peace. Because if I lose my life now, who will train my children for me? A stepmother is always a stepmother. They will not be like a real mom. You're a woman, you understand what I'm saying. That is why I refuse, because I know him very well. If I give him the chance and go ahead, he will do it. Except you as a good woman, and you know the pain of a fellow woman like you. That is why you reject and you are telling me now. If it is other woman, they will accept with him. And he will do the same thing that he will tell me. Mark today's days. Apart from you, I know him. So it's better I declare to him that I can't. And I will never. Seriously. Anyway, no problem. I understand. Night don't already reach. So may I not disturb your sleep. Tomorrow we'll talk more better. If you can talk to him to change you, he will change better for your children, no problem. And I will really appreciate. Because a frustrated marriage, a problem marriage, A marriage full of complaint, panic, with problem. There will be no prosperity there because they both blood, they are not happy with each other.
Man, this particular place when this woman talks, so she makes sense for you. Any marriage when joy not day, when the woman is not happy, prosperity not the day. It not the day, go and mark it down. Now what she talk for them?
Where can prosperity will come from? A happy marriage is always prosper. And it's from the strength and the power of both the mommy and the daddy that they will bring a happy marriage together. If one hurts, the other one will cool down. But this one, since that day, that tell him that I have left the family house. So still look at what happened, You no one even listen at all. You no one care whether my life is frustrated over there or I'm losing my life just because I want to stay. Who will take care of my children? Till then, that time till now, that is how we are struggling, quarreling, misunderstanding, insult. As he's giving me from that side, that is how his family is also giving me. What did I do? I accepted everybody in that family like my own blood. But in return, when the blessing comes that the little one that is supposed to eat with my children, everyone wants to eat it before me. They say, who am I? But I went there in peace, and in peace I will live. And if they want me to stay, I will stay. I hear your advice, ma. And God will bless you. Every good thing that you are trying to put according to my family and to my home, God will build your own house for you. And the glory of God will be upon your life. Anything you touch over there will be a blessing to you. You will not lack and you will not die young. You will live to see your great-grandchildren. And Ojoma will be a blessing to you and his daddy also. I appreciate you. And I hear everything that you said. I will think about it and I will get back to you soon. Don't worry. Good night, ma. And sleep well.
Yes, so my words, they touching, you know. Because me, I be woman too. You understand? Even the side chick, not be say she bad, she not bad because she don't want to enter the house without say the first wife no. She want the first wife to accept her before she enter. But this words, it touch her. Then she bring her and say, what do you not think? What do you not think? Which decision she will take? May she just leave the man. Though he said both of them don't fall in love. He loved the man. The man love her. But this woman now, another good woman. And one word when this woman talk, he say for the family house, he not they happy. You know, most men we don't they abroad. What did they think of? That for the woman to stay the family house. Now don't they believe say the woman they safe, the woman not they cheat, the family I go they look the woman. But some women they suffer for family house because of say they are pikin don't they abroad. You not get voice again. You not get your right again. Not be all some. They go want use you as rag. They want lure you, purpose you. Any small thing, nothing you go do when you go there right. Because they feel say you don't shop all their brother money. Maybe the brother self na small thing they bring up for you. If you buy new wrapper, they say their brother money don't finish. If you buy new shirt, money don't finish. You go church, go pray, you don't waka go see another man. You do all night. I know say some women say they are not use and mistake. Some women they when they do all those things, so may not be all. But rest of mine not the day. This thing they always a cause problem. Say now what it cause their problem? What it make the man for me? Or now what it me the reason? No, what it make the man decide say he want marry another wife or he want marry two wives? He say the family don't they feed down because this woman say no fit stay the family house again. I didn't say before the man travel. When the man travel, but he don't stay there. He say in the shop amala and they wait do for there. She no fit go there. Then she take comot. But because say she comot now, they can't lie for her head. The guy now he can't believe say why you not go stay? Why you not go stay? It's not easy to stay with family relative, especially when the man dey abroad. Not be easy thing, no. Not be easy. Except say the man family na really good people. Please, if you want call in, the number is there to contribute. If you know say you want contribute for the comment or you want call in, you can call in now. The number I don't put the line. You understand? It's not easy to stay with. And now this side chick now, you see when you listen to all this voice when I listen to, she herself, she don't know whether to continue. They don't do introduction, but now the main marriage they want to do now. So she they try to want say no, I'm not gonna marry. Make I just leave this man. But she loved the man. They love each other according to them. And the man said this one go dey Obodo Igbo, that one go dey Nigeria. But there is a time where we say all of them must stay together. They go fit cope. The man go fit handle 2 women. People when they marry 2 wives, it's not easy. And this woman already talk say for her home, for her mind, she don't talk and say na only she now your husband go marry. Don't tell God. Why be say person when you get head, you not get cap, who get cap, you not get head. Most people when they want all this kind of life, it is harder to get her. After they don't even born for you, say the man will dump them for another woman. Sometimes they want to marry join them. Most people when they always they say now only me, one man and once now let me my husband go marry. Now they confess all this temptation later. Why they be like that? His family is deceiving him because they want to punish her away so that they can accompany his house and other things. They feel say that they pack money, they corner money. Oh, I pity those men that are being deceived by their family. Yes, your family now, your family we know. Then your family still get their own family. Oh. Your own family cannot be your like me now. My brother family now my family, but my own not fit be you. They not fit come scatter my own. I not go give them that chance. For my own relative to come scatter my family, no, I not go give them that chance. You understand? They get where their boundary go reach. Because if they deceive you now, it don't they red now they'll still come laugh you tomorrow. Say, if he owe husband, if he owe his children, now they'll still come laugh you. Or if he owe wife, and they'll still come laugh you tomorrow. So sometimes more they calculate. Most problem they come like this, especially men when they are abroad, when they say they live family with their own parents, that they always they get this problem. The woman they always they feel say she they suffer, so they actually they suffer. You understand? Especially when the man family bad. So family they good though, they not send you. If you like you do anything, that will not be their own. They know they put nose for ground. Why some family there's some people nose for ground well. You understand? Their own out of the smell nose how do you take waka. But you were there Europe now. You decide say you want take 2 wives. One go there abroad, one go there Nigeria. As a man, you go fit carry the load. She need to walk away, but this polygamist thing is not going to work. And she need to walk away. Abi, this side chick need to walk away. And another thing again be say, if this side chick walk away, if she walk away, you not think say this man will look for another side chicken. It happened to me on my friends. It happened to one of my friends. The mother and brother sold his house and lands after they succeeded in chasing his wife away. You see how? You see how I said they sell land and house so after they don't pursue the man wife come out to. You see how? Because like I said the woman not go agree because now children property. Sometimes you see they happen like that. So what if be a decision? Now we don't talk about the woman. What about the side chick? May she continue with the marriage or may she leave the man alone? I mean the man wife needs to work. Okay, the man wife needs to walk away. May walk away, may walk away and leave the 2 children. With the 2 children, the man wife need to walk away. That means may the wife come up for the house. I don't know. May leave the husband. Distance marriage. Side chick don't they? If this lady not agree now, another lady feel agree. Who knows? But sometimes man I see they remember wearing for Bituna now. You see the way this woman narrated how Nate suffer. Say now when be say you don't they feel they get small thing now. The next thing we go here now boza. second wife. Hey, how much this man don't even get safe? This woman say even if say they abroad, he still they live like say your husband not there abroad. Now he enter the years your husband there abroad. Not be say the thing really they show for her body like that. And now second wife want join. His second wife join now. For the beginning, they send money. Oh, they send money. If anything we made that second wife get belle now, hey God, hey, the one born Europe picking. Other one with Nigeria, they'll still remember her. Once you think about that side, though, my lady, I know that you bring the matter come for me. We will talk for the two sides. That guy has made up his mind. Yeah, there is nothing she can do about it. That's truth. I believe so. Before my open mouth, so may they know they talk. Before you know, now he do man say the yes, he marry. Before you know, he don't marry. At least before the wife go know, he go don't reach like some years. This one now, he never even married. Just open out to a wife. Boo. Ah, this one a big bumble. Hey, this woman they pass through a lot. She they pass through a lot. Ah. The second lady should back off. Okay, my lady, they hear the same way you leave the man alone because he don't marry. But if this lady leave this man alone, another person go agree for her. No. Say another person go agree for her. What do not think? You said she should back off. If she back off, the man not go for somebody else. You not think so? Because the man already make up his mind. Not be even say make him work hard. So men did this Europe. They also as they also work hard to bring their wife and children come Obodo Igbo. Why you say you can't want take for Obodo Igbo here now? When you don't already get wife and children. With this woman voice, the way she dey sound, I dey see her as a nice woman. I don't know, I know they there, baby, I know they may happy too. But the way she take talk, the way she take sound, I see her like a responsible woman. If that man married that side chick in overseas, that marriage is as good as over. Remember, nearest is dearest. Of course. If you marry another, that's why they see every time. And especially if you all born. Hey God, if you just but the lady they talk say no go born. No. She said she not go born, they will just date together like that as in boyfriend and girlfriend. But you not go born, but the man want do marriage. Not be so now want the friend. The man want put money for your head. So man will put money for your head now, you not go born for her. Not a reason now, because now hear the side chick voice. If they try to advise the woman, say no worry, we'll just date. Not be say I want to take your husband for your hand. I just want your day together. I go see the advice you go they send you things. I know what born for her. We'll just date. But the man say want marry. Okay, man go marry you now. Say you not go born for her. Hey, give me okay, they put red dead for me. Oh, when I don't put red dead for this video, I just go beg you now. I will go block the person later. You better remove that red dead now. Otherwise, I'll go block. You know, go they watch our video again. Very soon they bring a topic they call. You know, go see and watch. Make I block this red dead. Please, I'm still on live video. Okay, please go. I've not finished. But I me pull off. This person where they put red dead. Me I saw that office here. Make I block him. I been a mistake. It take put on. Oh, thank you for the love. If the man married that side chick, okay. Maybe this when they put red date for yes, so. I never even see the person. I never sabi operate this thing. Maybe for the cash that person and make myself prefer block the person come out. The time we will take get better story. You know go here and go waka pass her. Now after the thing don't happen to her before the come tell and say lady T don't fair talk am. You know here when lady T talk am, this kind of thing don't fair happen before. Anybody put red there, now what go happen to the person be that? The day when we talk, when go you again, you know go say and watch that day. I will block you. The time when your content decide say the thing go come happen to you, don't say lady T talk am. Oh, thank you for the love and like. My head they grow that down. But then your eye go make win. You don't say lady T talk all this topic when me they break on. No one they throw away. So if you like put red dead, not be me you put on for my dear. You understand? Because the day when you miss your own for inside, and if the thing don't happen to you, Now there don't come tell say Lady T talk am. You say you no wash, you don't waka pass you that time. I bet my people now do well for the love and like, eh? Oh, my children don't they disturb me. I want to go. What is it? Go and tell him to help you. I won't like it to. Okay. Please now. Oh yeah, go and spit it out. Go and spit it out. Good boy. Okay? Go and spit it out now. Call Joe. Joe! Hey, these children, Mamma Mia. You don't have to show your face. It's in your mouth. You want to spit it out? Okay, my people, let's call it a day. Please, Mona, leave on a comment down there. Thank you for the love and like. Thank you for everything. Let's call it a day. Me, I attend to my children. I just say me, I could not see the day holiday now. So I hardly make video now. Say me, I just do this one for years. So thank you. I appreciate you for supporting this channel and everything. Please, if you know they follow us. We see the YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Now, True Life Story with the talking and many things. Today, if you not talk with it, you will show concern. But how does it talk? If you not talk something, when we say you get interest today, tomorrow if you talk something when you go get interest. So tomorrow, just follow us so that you go to hear all our story. Please, you can still drop your comment down here later, and also help us share this video so that you can help someone today, because many people that they pass through this, and many side chicks, they are really confused. Really, they don't know what to do, because the guy when they date, especially guy when they Europe, when the wife they Nigeria, you don't expect that kind of man to just today like that for 10 years, 5 years, say he never go Nigeria, go say not take water. Washing machine water, not pour water. That one a story. The washing machine water, it must pour. But how he got it done? Maybe he hold one babe, maybe say maybe the babe can fall in love with him, or he can fall in love with the girl because they see the girl every time. According to our sister there, he talk and say nearest is dearest. So by then now, what he go can't do, they can't decide, okay, make him marry for him, leave the way they are. The way they are, go they cry, they suffer, because it's not easy. Now that one way they has now support. Now if you take come obodo, but even if say no be she bring the money, but now grace, now support, maybe now water you pass now because of the grace of the one way they has. I say yes, say my man don't enter road. She don't they pray, they fast to make sure say you succeed, and at the end you succeed. I think Europe will not go lie now, but let's be frank here. So the woman don't pray, don't they say make you succeed. As you don't see rich obodo, you don't they succeed, they work, they get documents. Now you want a second wife, and you know say if you take second wife, that one way they house, you go get as it be, especially when that second wife don't born for you. Even if say you don't want you want take care of your children and your wife, but something must draw you back. Because of say you don't get that children for Europe, and your wife don't anything that one they do not be here again. So my brother, before you take decision, say you want marry for obodo ibo, I bet women wey dey obodo ibo, una no vex for me, and they try to bring out some things. Make una try to do wetin this side chick do. So this woman now say he no hold them. Say if they want marry, make them marry, but he go come out. Now she will come use her tongue, take out her teeth to see if she will fit stay the house or she not go fit stay the house. That is the most important thing. You understand? But many men they will single when we say they don't get children, they with their wife not there again. Those one are free. Sunday they never marry. Those one are free. Those one that one will be saying the wife still there. Please, when I use on her tongue, can't on her teeth. Please, now leave wait till I'll talk with that. So women, this woman just they talk all this one when they talk, say no problem, I will pray for you, I will do like this. They use a make parable, say, beat my pikin. Now yeah, they no reach inside. Leave her for me. Now from inside belly, now women till they talk that word. So this woman just they talk, say no problem. If you don't want to marry, I will not stay there again. So women they feel go their knees, midnight prayer for your head. Some way you say they not sabi pray, they know where to go. Now leave that they pass. They go they pluck leaf for inside bush. So they know where to go to make sure say you not go enjoy that marriage too. Especially the women wey in Nigeria and they work up so. So my own be say use your tongue, take out your teeth. As this woman say, if you marry her, he go leave the man. He no want me the following marry. For me, leave the man. You will see another man when be say He go there for you. Maybe the one you don't for a living while they don't separate, they don't share garri before. You go for that kind of man, or you look for single man who you never feel married, never feel born, or the one you don't feel born, maybe say wife not there, so that you just get your rest of mind. Not be say every day you dey sleep, fly pass, you don't dey fear, mosquito pass. Even a lot, we don't get a lot what they think for this life. We have a lot. Apart from all these things, prayer points, it's too many. You come pray for this, pray for that. Because if they pray for who they pursue you, oh my God. They put prayer point, join prayer points. Not be wasting easy. I dey talk my own year now. So my people, thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Please, man, help me share this video. As soon as I watch this video, please help someone today. Not watch this video, say you not share and you not put like. Please save someone today. I think I will stop this video for you. May I attend to my children till I don't reach after 5. All right. I remember your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. 2 drinks with Lady T. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Please don't forget
anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T.